Do you need to replace the LCD display assembly on your XPS 9640? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. Now, really quickly, ESD or electrostatic discharge, which is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap and you can use an ESD mat. Okay, first thing you'll do is unscrew the bottom base cover. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base. Now disconnect the battery cable. Now unscrew and remove the LCD cable bracket. Then disconnect the LCD cables. Next, unscrew the left and right hinges. Now unfold the LCD panel and separate it from the palm rest. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.